Alright, I'm going for some raw footage today on this super gnarly trail called Waterfall. I'm gonna take the normal line and yeah, let's see how that goes. Scrub. Holy sh**. I think I just burnt my tire. Whoa. No traction at all. This little rock slab. All right, I'm walking it back up because I threw in that extra slab, but the line that I'm doing is over here and I'm in too hard of a gear. So that was Waterfall. This trail is called Mountain Goat. Let's see how it goes. It's pretty chunky. Oh, darn it, unclipped. Yeah, that's Mountain Goat.